Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Advanced Mathematics of class 9. And the two laws that we are going to talk about today are from sets, and these are the complement law and De Morgan's law. So what does the complement law mean and what does the De Morgan's law mean in a very short video and in a very easy way. So we are going to use Venn diagram to understand this because Venn diagram is the easiest way to understand the different laws of sets. So let us see what does the different law states. So first one, we have A complement equal to A. So first of all, what does complement mean? Suppose we have a set here. This is the universal set and this is the set A, suppose. Okay, if this is the set A, then A complement is the region other than A. So if I shade this region, this whole region other than the region A is called the A complement region. Okay, so complement means do not include that. A complement means don't include A, other than A, every other part. So how will you get A complements complement? So A complements complement goes something like this. So if this is the set A, then this is A complement, right? So if I shade the orange colored region is our A complement. So A complements complement. So means other than A complement, what do we have? Other than A complement, we have the region A. So this region is the complement of A complement. Means we remove A complement. If we remove A complement, what is left? We are left again with A. So that's why A complements complement is A. Similarly, let's look into another part, that is U complement. U complement means universal sets complement is given as phi. So how do we understand? Suppose we have a set. This is our universal set. Okay, now universal set includes this whole region, everything inside this box. So what is the complement? Means if you remove or if you don't include this whole region, what is left? Nothing is left, because universal set is the whole thing, and complement means other than the whole thing, what is left? Nothing, and nothing means phi. That's why U complement is phi. Done. Then we have A union A complement is given as universal set. Okay, so let's do it again. So suppose this is our A, set A. If this is A, then the region outside of this shaded region is our A complement, right? So this is A, this is A complement. Now if you combine, union means you combine this region. Let me shade the A region with violet. Okay. So this violet region and the orange region together make the whole set, whole universal set. Are you getting the point? A means this violet region, A complement is this orange region, and union means to combine these two. So if we combine these two, we get the whole box, the whole box. The whole box becomes universal set. That's why it is like this. And the final one that we have is A intersection A complement. It gives phi. So how does that work? We take a set A. Okay. Now A is this region and this region is the A complement. So let's shade this region as well. This is our A complement region. So now we have to find the intersection. So the violet region here is our A, this is our A, and this is our A complement, the orange region. Now what is the intersection? Means the common part. Is there any common part between this purple region or the violet region and this orange region? No, there is nothing in common. We don't have any common part. So that means if we don't have anything in common, means there's nothing, and nothing means phi. So that's what the complement laws mean. Complement in simple terms, what is complement? Complement means if you take a particular set and you want to find the complement of that set, it means that if don't include that particular set, other than that set, everything else is the complement of that set. Okay, now let's move on to the next one, that is our De Morgan's law. And De Morgan's law uses this complement law into this. So what do we have in De Morgan's law? We have A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So how to justify this? Let's try. Let's take a universal set, and here suppose we have A and this is suppose B. This is A and this is B. Okay. So what is A union B? A union B. Let me show A union B with the orange. So A union B means it includes everything, right? Inside A and B, this shaded region is A union B. Now what is A union B complement? Means other than this A union B region, everything else. That means if I shade, I will get this purple region. This purple region is the A union B complement. So purple means this shade is our A union B whole complement. Now let us see how do we get this. This is A complement intersection B complement. So let us draw something universal set. Let this be our A and this be our B. Now what is A complement? A complement will be everything other than A. So this is the region A. So don't include A and see what you get other than A. Other than A, you get this region. Okay. This is our A. Other than A, everything else is A complement. Now, what is B complement? This is our A complement. Now, what is B complement? If this is our A, this is our B. B complement means other than the B, everything else. So this is our region, which is B complement shaded region. Now what we need to find? We need to find the intersection of this. So which is the common part? Which is the common part between A complement and B complement? So let us see. In A complement, we have everything other than A. And in B complement, we have everything other than B. So if we find the common parts, let's see which is the common part. This is our A, this is our B. So A complement and B complement, look into the diagrams and see which are the common parts. So which parts are not there? Which parts are not there? This part is not here. Also, this part is not here. Okay. So now if we remove, if we find the intersection of these two, what do we get? We get this region. Let me do it with the orange one. We get this region. Okay, this is our A complement intersection B complement. Can you see the difference? Here we did not include A. A was not included, everything else. Here we did not include B. Other than B, everything else. And when we combine these two, we try to find the common region, not the union. We try to find the common region. So the common region is other than A and B, because here A was not included, here B was not included. So we can't have anything from A and B in the common part. So remove A and B and everything else is the complement region. So now you check these two diagrams. What was the A union B intersection? It is this part, the outside the A union B part, except A and B, everything else. Here also except A and B, everything else. That means these two things are equal. That's how the complement law works. We have another one for complement law, and what is that? The second law for complement is De Morgan's law, is A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Let's check this out as well. First, let us draw this. This is A intersection B whole complement. So which part is A intersection B? This part is our A intersection B. So other than this part, everything else is A intersection B complement. So let me shade it. Okay, so here we have our this orange region. Other than this part in the middle, everything else is A intersection B whole complement. Now let's try this one. This is A and B universal set. So we have A complement first. A complement means just like the previous one. Other than A, shade everything else. Other than A. Okay, this is A complement. Then we go for B complement. So B complement means other than B. So remove B, don't touch B, other than B, everything else. So we are not including this part. Now we need to find the union, means combine both of these. Every region that you have, combine them. If we combine, which part is missing out? In common, which part is missing out? This part is not there. Here also this part is not there. But in this case, this region is there, and in this case, this region is there. So now let's include, if we combine these two, means we overlap. we put this one on top of this. What is the part that you see? On combining these two, the part that we see is this. So which part have we excluded? This part. This part has not been included. Other than this part, everything else falls under the combination or union of these two sets. So we unite these two sets so that all the parts present in this and all the parts present in this are combined. So when you combine them, we are left out with only this region which is not included. And this is our A intersection union B complement. Now let's compare these two. So here also this part has not been included, the purple part not been included, the remaining everything is there. Here also this part is not included, everything else is there. That means these two are equal, and that's how we get the second De Morgan's law. So I hope you understood this one. We have done complement law, and in relation to complement law, the advanced version is the De Morgan's law. So these two are the laws, the two very important laws, and sometimes students get confused. So I hope this one is clear. If you have any confusion, make sure you ask me in the comment section, or you can ask me directly. So thank you everyone for watching, and until next time, cheers.